There is a contentious issue regarding whether animals should be used for human benefits and purposes. While some argue for their use, I generally disagree with this notion. Firstly, I acknowledge that using animals as a source of protein is currently a necessity for many. However, it is crucial that animals such as chickens and cows are raised with proper welfare standards. Ensuring they live in humane conditions and minimizing their suffering during slaughter is essential. Additionally, animal experimentation, though sometimes necessary for scientific advancement, should be conducted under strict regulations to minimize pain and distress for the animals involved. On the other hand, the use of animals for entertainment purposes, such as in circuses, should be completely banned. Animals in circuses often endure harsh training methods and live in poor conditions, which is inhumane. Similarly, illegal hunting and the trade of products such as rhino horns should be strictly prohibited to protect endangered species from extinction. Furthermore, the production and sale of mink coats and other products involving animal cruelty must be banned. These practices not only cause immense suffering to animals, but also often lack ethical justification, given the availability of synthetic alternatives. In conclusion, while the use of animals for certain purposes such as food and medical research can be justified under strict welfare conditions, their exploitation for entertainment, illegal hunting, and fashion is unacceptable and should be banned entirely. We must strive to balance human needs with ethical treatment of animals to create a more humane society.